Before this video starts, here is a quick shout out to the Cartoon Manist here, as he actually got the answer correct on Mac, Ham, Pitty, Flea and Yeti, or the differences, and they were all voiced by John Ratzenberger. So shout out to you, the Cartoon Manist, and now let's start off with this video. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is gonna be on Megan Shifter. Now, I didn't have any intro ideas for Megan Shifter, so I just decided to go straight into it and give the Cartoon Menace a shout out, and then start the review. So anyways, here is Megan Shifter. I mean, there is some confusion over the name, because there is some Megan Shifters with the Andrew Butte's name tag, which is an error by Mattel, because the Andrew Butte's was supposed to be the Fiber Fuel crew chief for Brush Kerber here, which unfortunately got delayed, so we could get it between now and whenever, if Mattel decide to release it. If not, that is a massive shame. But yeah, the Andrew Butte is exactly the same car inside as Megan Shifter, so there is no changes. But yeah, I do have a second Megan Shifter over here. I got this one from Getmecollectibles, and I love these Pitties. I'm not exactly sure where she was seen in the movie. I believe it is a female, as you can tell by the expression of the Pitty. But we did also get two other Pitties for 2018, being Mike Stockcar and Bring Him a Gear, which I believe weren't even seen in the movie either. So that is a massive shame. So yeah, let's start off this review of Megan Shifter. Of course, we got the name tag here. We got the ridge on the name tag to indicate that it's Thailand. We got Mattel logo there. 3+, because I guess the tool chest and the wheels here. Megan Shifter. Here is her artwork, which is amazing. I mean, $4 for just for Pitty, if that was on its own, wouldn't be worth it. Whereas I should say dollars for us, it would have been £8, which is pretty expensive. Cars logo. She's in the Diecast 400 series over here, as you can see. On the back, you can see that it is made, in fact, in Thailand. Really nice. Of course, here we go. Here is the description. After the Diecast 400, a tiebreaker race is needed to determine the winner of the Piston Cup. Of course, we've got all the other Piston Cup races here. Of course, I think Brush is in front there. I'm not exactly sure if that is Brush. It could be Slider. I have to watch the movie to make sure. On the back, we have got other releases such as Tow Truck Tom, which is one of the last ones I need in Thailand. And we got Davey Apex, I believe it is, which I do need in Thailand. Greg Candyman and Lee Revkins I already have in Thailand. So yeah, I've decided that this will be the one that I'll be opening. So let's start off the unboxing. Hope you guys like that little music thing there. But what I did notice, or if you noticed anything, is that in the package, in the blister, there is, I don't know what that is. What is that? Is that just a black smudge? I'm not entirely sure, but it's where the wheels or part of the back of Megan is. But she seems to be fine, so I'm not going to worry about it too much right now. So yeah, let's start off with the review of Megan Shifter, the actual review now. Very nice. Here is the forklifts here, very nice. I do like the Pitties a lot. Of course, got a nice smiling expression. Very nice. Of course, here his eyes, very nice. On the side, we've got the Fiber Fuel. Let's see if it will focus. Come on. No, turn on the flashlight. There we go. It says Fiber Fuel there. It's not going to focus, isn't it? There it goes. Now it focuses. Fiber Fuel. And of course, we've got the slogan up there too. Nice yellow rims here to indicate the yellow on the Pitty, I guess. We got some wheat, I believe it is, on the side of the car. And of course, we've got the basic back model of the Pitty with this window too here. On the top, we have an always have a hat, which reads fibre fuel, or to indicate to what member it is. So yeah, there's Megan Shifter, of course, made in week 35 of 2018, I believe it was. So yeah, pretty cool release, made in Thailand, obviously. Now let's go on to the tool chest now, which is completely plastic. Of course, there is the fibre fuel sponsor with the wheat again. Very nice. It is not movable, as you can. All the tool chests are. Very nice. I always love collecting these tool chests. I have about 50 of them now. Very nice. Here's the sides, the back. Pretty cool. And here are the wheels, which read Lightyear for Bosch cover, which is actually correct, believe it or not, as you can see. I would have thought Mattel, or Thailand at least, would have released the yellow ones, because Megan has yellow wheels, but they didn't. So, congratulations to Mattel, they got some incorrect ones. So, yep, and here is a hole to, I still don't understand, to put into the Pitty's forklift to carry it about, but that makes no sense. You're basically giving Bosch Kerber a puncture, where he can crash and cause a massive crash. And yeah, it would make more sense if they just put like an accessory that would put them on like this, which would be cool. And then of course you can make a little stop motion or series with the wheels on top as well. So, yeah, that is Megan Shifter. Pretty cool release, not gonna lie. So we will put her in the background just for a minute here and bring out Bosch Kerber. Of course, here he is, fibre fuel 56, which unfortunately he was one of the 7, I believe it was, racist companies to go bust. So that is a big L for fibre fuel. I did like the car and the team, and especially if my Megan Shifter got released here. But another one that was released in 2018 that the team also went bust was Taco Mint for Bring Immigear. Here is Bryn, of course, another team that went bust, Taco Mint. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that does end this video for now. Of course, I've got a review on Honk Cho coming out soon. So turn the flash off now. If you are new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below. Till next one, peace.